Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a mixed emoji. So in Procreate, you're going to make a new one, screen size, and then you are going to choose your emoji that you would like to use. So let's just choose something cool. Let's go with this one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do layer 1. You're going to pinch them together with your 2 fingers. Make a new layer. Choose another emoji. As much as emojis as you would like. Let's do the sad face. Pinch it together. And now what you're going to do is you're going to choose one more. You can choose up to as many emojis as you would like. I'm just going to do 3, for example. Let's do this one. Pinch it together. And then what you're going to do is like kind of choose the main emoji. So you're going to click on that layer of the main emoji that you're going to use. Make it big. And then put your other 2 emojis in like the corner. And other one. So now what you're going to do is let's trace this first. So you have to make sure you're on that emoji in your layers. And then you're going to go to this S-looking shape. Make sure freehand is selected. Click remove and trace. And now you're going to trace the other one. And don't worry about that line. That's fine. We'll get rid of that. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you want to make sure remove is selected. And you're going to go to your eraser. Make sure those lines are there. And just erase everything. Boom. And now you're going to click on the mouse. You're going to see there's an outline. You're going to move that out. Outer space. Click on that again. Move it to where you would like. But if it's like going behind where you can't see it in front, go to layers and make sure that is in front of your emoji. That's perfect. Okay, now let's try this. We could maybe erase like the top of his head. And now let's trace this. So make sure that's selected. And then you're going to go to your little S shape. It looks like a little mushroom cloud. Make sure remove is selected, erase, and move the outline away to space. Boom. And now just add whatever you would like. So maybe we could let's see. And to undo something, you basically take your 2 fingers, tap on the screen. So let's just like mix it all up. Let's see. And you could add whatever you would like. Maybe let's do some glasses. I like Mercury the best. That's by far the favorite one of mine. That one is which comes with the app. So, these glasses look funny. Let's try square glasses. We're gonna try some square glasses. This is gonna be fun. Maybe we can do. Okay. Now, let's do this side. And let's maybe make like a frame. I think that looks nice to me. Let's add some of the sides. Yeah, guys. So maybe let's add, and if you want to change your background color, you simply go to your layers, click on background color, drag it down to black, and you have that. But if you don't like how that looks, or you don't, it's hard, you're gonna make a new layer, drag it to the bottom, make sure it's selected, black, and fill it. It's pretty much the same way, but it's what I prefer. Let's make him happy, you know? And then you're gonna go back to your layers, and you're gonna do that. And let's make a mouth, then. Oh, happy, good. Little happy guy. Oh my god. I think that's a keeper. Like, come on, guys. You guys can't deny this. I'm a cat. Let's do that. Boom. And then if you want to like resize it to your full screen, just take your 2 fingers, pinch it, brings it back, and 4 fingers on the screen, and it does it like that. There you have it, guys. I hope this helped out. Bye.